Hey guys! Today we are going to be making a Lenten yarn craft. So let's get to it! To start off, pour your glue into a bowl. If it's too thick, add a little bit of water at a time until it's the right consistency. So the Easter egg is a very common symbol in Easter. To make it, we're going to blow up a balloon, pretty small so that you don't use too much yarn, and make it into the shape of an egg. Then dip the yarn in your glue and coat it. This is a little messy. And rub off the excess and place it on your balloon. And then just start wrapping it around. Another symbol is the cross. To make it, draw out a cross on a piece of parchment. Then dip your yarn into the glue mixture. Rub the excess off. And place it inside of your lines. I'm going to use my fingers to make sure I get the actual shape of the cross.
Tuck the end of the yarn underneath another piece of yarn. And then you're done. So let it dry overnight, and for the egg, you're going to just pop the balloon and it'll be done.
And for the cross, we're going to let this dry overnight and then very gently take it from the parchment.
So it's the next day and our yarn is dry, and now we're going to pop the balloons.
For the crosses, slowly remove the parchment paper backing. So these are the finished crafts. They are really fun to make, so we're gonna go make some more.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.